Since 2007, the Syscom and Pro-Eco Africa projects have developed a scientific basis for comparing conventional and organic farming in tropical countries. In this video, we consider how the project results can inform the debates on the future of organic agricultural development in Africa. We speak with experts involved in the projects from FIBEL in Switzerland to discuss key project results and how they can inform policy.
Let me introduce you to the problem that we are trying to address. There is substantial evidence illustrating that the dominant agricultural systems feeding the growing global population have major shortcomings for the future. As in other vulnerable regions across the globe, many parts of the African continent face the adverse effects of climate change, biodiversity loss, and food and nutrition insecurity. These and other socioeconomic and environmental considerations make a transition to agroecological organic food systems imperative. Organic agriculture and other agroecological approaches are gaining importance in Africa as the evidence grows, showing that this way of farming enhances environmental health, the nutrition security and well-being of both smallholder farmers and urban consumers by contributing to healthier, safer, and more diversified diets. Active ecological organic farming works with nature and helps sustain living ecological systems and cycles. This includes soil, plants, animals, households, society, and the general environment. Such an approach to farming requires a focus on the productivity of the whole farm system over the long term using organic best practices, instead of focusing on short-term gains from a narrow range of crops or animals and products. Ecological organic agriculture comprises agroecology, certified and non-certified organic farming. The boundaries between them are, however, quite fluid, and differences are often based more on conceptualizations as opposed to technological or practical basis.
Key results from projects. From the experience of participatory on-farm research, on-station and field research over the past 8 years, we have found that ecological organic agriculture can provide many benefits to people and nature. Some of the most interesting results are that profitability and productivity of organic farming in the tropics can equal or exceed that of conventional farms. This is dependent on the type of crop management practice and farm size and location. Additionally, well-managed organic farming system can increase soil fertility, improve water quality, reduce pesticide residues, increase farm resilience, and enhance biodiversity above and below ground. To realize these benefits, organic farmers must go beyond just eliminating synthetic agrochemical inputs and engage in active organic management practices on their farms, in line with agroecological principles. The project concluded this is the key to success in organic farming in the tropics. This approach is knowledge-intensive. Farmers and advisors have to continuously learn, experiment, adapt, and share knowledge and skills with one another. Policy recommendations introduction. Key agreements supporting the advancement of ecological organic agriculture in Africa. In 2011, a high-level decision by the African Union heads of states and governments resolved to mainstream organic agriculture into national plans, programs and policies by 2025. This high-level decision led to the subsequent implementation of a multi-year continental initiative on African ecological organic agriculture, outlining the politically recognized importance of organic and sustainable agriculture beyond certified organic. Policy recommendations. In order to capitalize on the benefits organic agriculture can offer the environment and society, Government systems need to work on 4 main axes. First, enact policies and strategies for organic agriculture and food safety. Second, make markets work for farmers and consumers. Third, address the distinct needs of organic agriculture. Fourth, better networking and cooperation at local, national and regional levels.
Africa holds a primordial position in creating more resilient and sustainable food production systems. For African food systems to meet their potential and contribute to sustainable development, institutions, policies, programs, markets, and society must support a conducive environment for change. It is imperative to harmonize policies and minimize conflicting programs that may hinder the successful uptake of organic agriculture and other agroecological technologies and practices.